everybody right there. This is JP right here in another video. And today I am in this amazing festival called the Geek Festival. I'm gonna walk around, I'm gonna show you what's in here, like probably some customs, some otakus, like places. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you around. Let's see right now.
Que mataste, juro que te exterminaré.
And everything right here, it's pretty amazing. The Geek Festival, it's actually one more time, my first time in all these festivals. I mean, many people cosplay, you know, like there are action figures, like these big statues, like glowing and stuff. This is an amazing place. I mean, you can buy t-shirts. I bought this. Take a look. This is a Mario t-shirt, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you more of this in this fantastic place, the Geek Festival, everybody. This is all. I hope you guys like this video. This was the Geek Festival 2023. This is my first time, as I said, and so far everything was pretty good. Here behind me I'm with Broly, you know. I hope you guys like it, and we're gonna see in another video. Bye bye.